Studio 2019 introduces Tell Me, which allows you to type in a word or phrase and Studio will suggest commands, settings and options that you might want to access. Let's type in translation memory and see what comes up. So you can see that Studio has suggested a number of commands, options and settings, and I can easily find the one I want and click on it to be taken straight to the right place. I want to go to the search settings for my translation memory, so I'll just click on this option here, and it takes me straight to the right page in the project settings. So using Tell Me, you can easily and quickly get to where you want to go in Studio without having to search through menus and settings, saving you time.